In today's video we are going to show you how hlookup works. So for hlookup the database should be lying horizontally. So for that, first of all you have to copy this headings like this and paste it anywhere, like I'm pasting over here like this. And then you have to enter some values, like I'm entering some values like this. And then you have to write the syntax of hlookup, like equal to hlookup uh, control A. Lookup, in lookup value you have to select this. In table array you have to select the original table including heading and then freeze it. In row index number type 3, and here I am entering 0 and then OK. And then see, if you drag it like this, you will get the values.